Alright. So let's start with our discussion for the assignment number 2 sa ating accounting for special transactions or BAPE 6. So with that said, okay, proceed na tayo. Bilisan na natin to. Dali lang naman to eh. Tawag dito, partnership operations lang naman to. Kasi pag sa partnership, ang mahirap dyan is yung liquidation eh. Sa liquidation process yung masakit sa ulo. Pero all in all, chill lang yan si partnership. Hindi yan sa problema pagdating sa board exam for the subject of advanced accounting. Hindi yan problema si partnership. So with that, let's proceed with the discussion ng assignment number 1. So sa assignment number 2, So yung una, problem 1, according to the law, if no profit or loss sharing ratio has been agreed upon, the partner shall share the profit P&L. The P&L equally. Now, that is false because the correct answer is that in proportion to their contribution. Kapag di ba? Kung magkano yung contribution nila, di ganun yung sharing nila. Ngayon, kailan ka lang gumagamit ng equally kapag yung contributions they given. Oo. Doon lang yan nangyayari, si equally. Or kapag stated ng partners, di ba? So, false yan. Number 2. Mr. A and Miss B form a partnership. Si Mr. A, may sipon ako ngayon si Mr. A contributed 1 million cash while si Miss B will contribute her services. Now, si Mr. A sa capitalist, si Miss B is industrial. So, anong dyan? True. May partnership talaga. Basta merong capitalist, goods yan. Kahit na yung iba, karamihan is industrialist, industrial partner. Basta may isang capitalist, goods lang. Bakit kailangan mo ng capital eh? Kailangan magkaroon ng investment sa partnership, di ba? So, fact pattern, you and I partners, we share in profits equally because I am the managing partner. I am entitled to 20% bonus computed on the profit before deducting the bonus. So, number 3. So, for 3 and 4 yung fact pattern. Mahirap magkasipon. If our partners earn profit of 1 million before deducting my bonus, your share would be 500,000. Now, this is false kasi as you can see, tanggalin mo muna yung bonus na 20%. Kasi before nga, di ba? Profit before deducting bonus. So, tanggalin mo yung bonus 20%. So, 800,000 lang yan. Times mo 50% kasi equally mag-share sa profit or loss. So, yun. Dapat 400k yan. So, false to. So, number 4, if a partnership incurs loss of 1 million, your share would be negative 400,000. Ito naman, baliktad. Di ba? Anong rule sa bonus? Kapag nag-compute ka lang ng bonus kapag merong profits yung partnership. Pag wala, huwag ka mag-compute. Because bonus is basically saying na, ito, additional incentive sa'yo because kumita yung partnership. Since bonus yan, bakit ka magbibigay ng additional incentive kapag loss yung na-incur ng partnership? Di ba? Kalokohan. Di ba? Illogical naman ganun. Kaya nagbibigay ka lang ng bonus kapag merong share kasi it is an additional incentive dahil nagkaroon ng profit yung company. Otherwise, kapag loss yan, there's no point in giving additional incentive kasi nga, nagkaroon ng loss. So, yun yung logic dun. Or yung rationalization. Number 5, normally partners are entitled to salaries for the service they have rendered to the partnership business only if the business earns profit. Now, that is false because as opposed to bonus, ang salary, whether nagkaroon ka ng profit or loss, o whether kumita ka o whether nalugi ka, you are still required by law to give salaries. That is salary Hindi yan incentive para sa profit. Hindi yan bonus. Salary yan. It is entitled. The person is entitled to receive salary as mandated by law. Basta trabaho ka, may salary ka. Bakit? Kasi pag i-violate mo yun, involuntary servitude na yun and that is prohibited by our constitution, mga kapatid. So, fact pattern naman, he and she are partners, hindi tulad nyo, with 60-40, interest in partnership profit respectively. Ngayon, si he is entitled 2 million annual salary. So, ito yung situation. If the partnership earns 12 million profit before deducting his salary, she's share would be 4 million pesos. So, ito, 60-40, entitled 2 million salary. So, bawas yung muna yung 2 million sa 12 million. Kapag may natira, yung remaining, allocate nyo ng 60-40 as seen here. Yeah, so true. Ngayon naman, kapag yung salary, the partnership incurs 8 million loss before deducting his salary, she's share would be negative 4 million. Now, this is true naman. Because as we have said, whether loss yan or profit, you are still required to give out that salary as opposed sa bonus na kung saan profit lang. So dito, negative 8 million minus mo 8 million minus mo yung 2 million salary. So, mayroon pang natitirang 6 million, 6 million, 10 million. Hirap magkasipon. So yan, negative 8 minus negative 2. So negative yan. So negative 10 times 40, that's 4 million. Fact pattern A and B form a partnership. The partnership agreement stipulates the following. So annual salary allowance of 50 for A and 30 for B. Any remaining amount of profit shall be divided equally. So during the period the partnership earned profit of 100 pesos before salary allowances. So si A's partner share in the partnership profit is 10 peso. No? As you can see here sa formula, so makahilo man yung formula. Basically, ganyan, 100, di ba? Kasi nasolve sila ng bracket. Tandaan niyo yung, yung sa PEMDAS. May mahaba, may PEMDAS ba yun? Basta yung unahin mo na yung sa bracket, yan, sa loob ng bracket. Then pag, sa loob ng bracket may parenthesis, unahin mo na sila. So, 100 minus 50 minus 30, that's 20 times 50%. Kasi, equally sila. Ano tong 50-30? Ito yung allowances ni So, allocate mo na sa allowances out of the profit. So, ang tira na lang, yung residual is 20 times 50% kasi any remaining amount of profit or loss shall be divided equally. So, times 50%. So, that's 10. So, plus yung 10 plus yung salary allowance ni A, that is 60. So, wrong tong 10. Mali. So, false. Sabi mo, during the period, the partnership incurred loss of 100 pesos before salary allowances. So, ito, loss naman. A's share in the partnership loss is negative 40. So, same reason, in this case naman, ito, nagiging negative 100 kasi nga negative loss or nag-incurred ng loss. So, minus the salary allowances, ang salary allowances required yun ibigay. So, yung matira, residual, 50%, i-add mo dito sa 50, that's negative 40. So, true. And lastly, Mr. C, the managing part of ABC Co. is entitled to a 20% bonus on a profit after sa partner salaries and bonuses. ABC Co. reported profit of 360 pesos after deducting the partner salary but before deducting Mr. C's bonus. So, sabi ito, Mr. C's bonus is 80. So, that is false. 360, di ba? Tandaan nyo yung tag dito. Yung discussion natin sa bonus doon sa lecture video. So, yun, false. So, dali lang, di ba? Multiple choice theory. Ito, basahin pa ba natin? Sure, sige na lang. So, how should a partners in a business ang hirap mag-ano. Alam mo yung, meron dito. Kaya, take care of your health. How should a partners in a business partnership share in the profits or losses of the partnership? Now, obviously, partnership agreement. Mananaig yan parati. Di ba kahit sa valuation ng properties nila, sa assets and liabilities ay ipapasok nila sa partnership, ano yung nananaig? Di ba kung ano yung agreed value nila? Kasi ngayon partnership, as we have discussed sa business laws and regulations natin, kasi ako manuturo sa inyo yan, it is basically a contract in itself. Yeah? It is a contract that is governed by the civil code. And since it's a contract itself, as long as hindi ito violative of the Lamok PAPs, tandaan nyo pa yung Lamok PAPs, ba? Law, morals, good customs, public order, and public policy, yung contract na yan, goods yan. Kaya nananaig yung partnership agreement. Yeah? According to the Philippine Civil Code, if only the share of each partner in the profits have been agreed upon, the share of each in the losses shall be same rin kung paano yun sa profit. So, letter D. According to the Philippine Civil Code, in the absence of the stipulation of the sharing of profits or losses, partnership profits and losses shall be shared by the partners. Ito, alam nyo ito dito, di ba? Based on their proportions, contributions, yeah? Letter D. Which of the following is not a component of the formula used to distribute partnership profits to the partners, diba? Pag merong salaries, bonus, and interest, so yun, una muna. Pag may residual, doon allocate na. Basically, kung anong pinag-usapan nilang ratio. Kung equally man, 60-40. So ito, salary allocations, goods. After all the allocations, the remainder, yung residual divided according to the profit and loss sharing ratio, yan, kasama yan. Interest on the average capital investment, di ba? Salary, bonus, interest, so, kasama rin yan. So, interest on notes partners, diba? Letter D. Kasi ibang ano yan ibang relationship yan ibang relationship yan between the partnership and the partner. So, number 5, when allocating a partnership loss to the partners, the following item is provided for salaries. Letter A. So, let's go to the problem solving. Excuse me po. So, ito, problem for multiple choice, computational. So, A and B form a partnership. The partnership agreement stipulates the following. So, annual salary allowances of 80,000 for A and 40,000 naman para kay B. The partners share profits equally and losses on the partners share profits equally. So pagdating sa profits, equal sila, pero pag losses 60-40, 60 kay A, 40 kay B. So during the period, the partnership earned profit of 100,000 pesos. How much was the share of A? So ito yung mga basic pagdating sa partnership operations, di ba? So yun, amounts being allocated, yung 100,000. 100,000. Ngayon, allocate mo na yung priority, di ba? Una sa allocations ng salaries. So, ang sabi, 84A, 40 kay B. So, whether that's enough. Whether enough yung profit to allocate this or kahit nga negative loss, di ba, nag-allocate pa rin tayo ng salaries. Kailangan yung i-allocate pa rin in full yung salaries because that is mandated by law. Required yan magbigay. As long as provide yung services, you are required to pay the salaries. Sa natin. Kaya dito, kahit kung mapapansin, di ba, 80 plus 40, that's 120, pero inallocate pa rin natin siya buong buo. Yeah? So yun, 100. So 80 for A, 40 for B, 120. So, allocation of remaining losses. So, you know, 100 lang yung profit, tas 100k salary, so may negative 20, and pag profits, equally. Pag losses, 60-40. Kaya dito, 12k, negative 12k kay A, negative 8k kay B. So, that's negative 20. So, basic, di ba? So, multiply mo yan. Dapat dito yung sa taas nila. So, as allocated, 68 kay A, 32 kay B, total 400,000. So, basic na basic. No sweat yan. No sweat talaga yung pagdating kay partnership operations. So, let's go to number 2. So, number 2, A and B. A, B, and C are partner sharing. A, B, and C are partner sharing the partnership profits in the ratio of 2:3:4. So, 2:3:4 yung ratio nila sa profits. As the A, being the managing partner, is entitled to an annual salary of 80k and a 10% bonus after deducting the salary but before deducting the bonus. The partnership earned profit of 560,000. So, tanong, how much is the share of A? So, ito, dito, 560k. Ito yung amount na allocate natin. So, yung profit. Ngayon, as provided, salaries muna. Required yan. So, 80. Ngayon, bonus daw 10% kay A after deducting the salary but before deducting the bonus. So, yun. After deducting the salary. So, 560k minus 80k kasi may salary times mo na yung 10% bonus kasi before deducting the bonus. Goods talaga yung mga before deducting the bonus. Yun yung mga madali compute. So yan, 48k yung bonus ni A. With that, 80 plus with that, yung natitira na lang, di ba? 560 minus 80 minus 48 is 432. Ngayon, wala namang ibang stipulation. So, yung remainder, yung residual, allocate na based on their agreement. Yan ang agreement nila. Ratio of 2:3:4. So, 432, yeah? Ito, nasa baba naman. Yeah? For A, 2, For B, 3/9. For C, 4/9. Kasi nga, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. Obvious na yun. Alam niyo sa algebra nyo, di ba? Basic math na lang yan. 2, 3, 4. Allocation, gawin nyo fraction. 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 9. Yun. So with that, 96 para kay A, 144 para kay B, and 192 para kay C. Yan yung allocation nila sa remainder. And add na lang. Boom, boom, boom. Tarat, tarat. As allocated, 224, 144, 192, 560. So, ang tanong, how much is the share of A? 244, letter C. Ba? No sweat. Ngayon, let's go to number 3, the partnership agreement of 3 out of 3 of A, B, and C stipulates the following. O si A, siya yung managing partner. Si A, siya yung managing partner, shall receive a bonus of 10% ng profit. Now, each partner shall receive a 6% interest on the average capital of investment, and diba, any remaining profit or loss shall be shared naman equally sa inyo kung remainder, residual. So the average capital investment of the partners during the year were 80% for A, 50% 80K for A, 50K for B, and 30K for C. So yan, dyan yung multiply yung yung 6% interest on average capital, kinumpute na para sa inyo. Diba? Kasi may mga problems na kayo pa magko-compute nito, di ba? Kailangan kapag weighted average, etc., etc. The partnership earned a profit in the amount of 100K during the period. So how much was A's share? How much? Mahirap talaga yung mga S, di ba? Mga S pag may sipon nga. How much was A's share for that? So yun, 100K yung profit nila, so allocate. And sabi dito sa kabila, di ba, may bonus na marireceive si A for 10% of the profit. And since may profit sila, okay, makaka-receive siya ng bonus. Wala naman sinabi allocation for salary, so diretso tayo sa bonus. So 100%, 100,000 yung profit times 10%, yun, dito. Ngayon, interest on capital na lang. Average capital, sabi dito 6%. And binigay na yung capital nila, mga average capital nila for the year. So multiply na lang. Diba? No sweat. So 80K times 6%, 50K times 6%, 30K times 6%. Ito, taran. So yun. So ang natitira na lang, out of 100,000 is 80,400 kasi inano mo na yung bonus and yung interest. So allocation of remainder na lang. So sabi dito, shall be shared equally. So yun, minus man lang 80,400 time divided by 3. Bam, bam, bam. 26,800. So yun, as allocated. No sweat. Sus. Yeah? Madali lang. Wala talagang problema dito pagdating kay partnership operations. So number 4 tayo. So si A, wait lang. Ano ba yung question? How much was the share? Na-cover ba? Hindi naman na-cover yung Bam, bam, bam. Na-cover yata ng mukha ko. Okay lang, pogi naman. Yeah. So, saan tayo? Saan ito? I-erase ko pa muna yung So, letter D. Share ni A, 41,600 dito. So, let's go to number 4. So, A and B's partnership agreement stipulates the following. Annual salary allowance of 100,000 for A. Bonus to A of 10% of the profit after partner salaries and bonus. And then the partner's share in profits and losses in the amount of, on the ratio of 60-40. Kaso may problema. Nag-incur ng loss yung partnership in the amount of 40,000 before deduction for salaries. So, how much is the change in A's capital account? Ngayon, sir, bakit yan nila sinabi ang before deduction for salaries? Kasi may mga problems yan. Pag na-notice nyo, pag nag-solve kayo marami, may mga problems yan na nilagay, itong loss na nakalagay or profit or loss na nakalagay dito, may nakalagay net of salary. Pag may nakita kayong net of salary, ibalik nyo yung salary. Pag may mga ganung problems sa labas yung incurred a profit or incurred a loss in the amount of blah blah blah. Net, o tas kama yan, net of salaries. Pag may nakita kayong ganun, ibalik nyo yung salary sa computation nyo dito. Tapos tsaka nyo ibawas. para hindi kayo malito sa pagsosolve. Kasi baka bigla kayong mag-jump, hindi nyo nakita yung net of salaries, nilagay nyo agad yung net amount dito, tapos binawasan nyo pa ulit yung salaries. Be careful with that. Oo. Kaya dito minsan nilagay before deduction salaries para additional notes o additional reminder yan. How much is the change in A's capital account? So yun, negative 40k yung loss natin, di ba? Yung salaries, record ka pa rin magbigay kahit loss yan. So, okay, nandito bonus, loss na nga. Walang additional incentives na bibigay. So, walang bonus. Ngayon, allocation of remaining loss. So, that is 140k. 60-40 yung allocation nila. So, yun, 60% kay A, 40% kay B. So, 80 or yun. So, ang as allocated, 16,000. May ma-receive pa rin si A, si B, negative na talaga. So, ang tanong, how much is the change in A's capital account? So, that is an increase in 16k. So, letter C. So, let's go to number 5. Okay. So, number 5, in its first year of operations, A and B's partnership business earn a profit of 2,500,000. So, it was agreed na si A is to have an annual salary allowance of 100%, 100,000, and a 20% bonus based on profit after deducting the salary and the bonus. So, however, there has been no stipulation on how the remaining profit is to be shared between A and B. Yeah? So, between A and B. A contributed 300,000 while B contributed 500,000. How much is the share of B? So, ito obvious naman, di ba? Walang sinabing stipulation paano yung hatian nila. Wala silang P&L ratio, profit or loss ratio. So, with that, ang sabi ng batas, bawal lumabas. Di ba? Ang sabi ng ng civil code, when it comes to partnership, yung contribution nila, contributed capital, doon yung magiging base. So, dito, 300k kay A, 500k kay B. So, 3 over 8 kay A, 5 over 8 kay B. Ngayon, sir, pag wala yung contributed capital, anong gagamitin? Di mag-equally kayo. Yeah, ganun. So, amount to be allocated. So, ang tanong, how much the share of B? So, 2.5 million, yung profit nila, salary, okay, bawas yan. Bonus, dito ang computation ng bonus sa baba. Di ba? Anong sabi sa bonus? 20% bonus based on profit after deducting the salary and the bonus. So, yun, deducting the salary, the amount of 100k. Ito. So, 2.4. And, based on, di ba, sa lecture video natin, may formula naman doon, paano, or sa book ni Zeus, yung formula, pag yung sinabing condition is after deducting the bonus, kasi masarap talaga pag before deducting a bonus. Pero meron naman computation sa after deducting a bonus. So, yun, 2.4 minus 2.4 divided by 120%, open close parenthesis, 400k. So, yan, 400k dito. So, ngayon, yung residual na, yung remainder, in the amount of 750,000, in the amount of 2 million na. Yun na tira, kasi 100, 400. So, with that, based on their contributed capital, 3 over 8, 5 over 8, so 2 million, 750, 1 to 50, add. Okay. Ang tanong, how much is the share of B? So 1,250,000. So letter A. Rinig yung manok. So Billy and Sheehan are partners in Basco. Their partnership agreement was their partnership agreement states that Billy is entitled to an annual salary of 100,000 and a bonus of 10% of profit after salary, but before the bonus. So yun. So the remainder is shared in the ratio of 7:2. Sheehan's share in the partnership profit for the year was 296. How much was the partnership profit before salary and bonus? Ito yung mga workback problems. Provide dito, annual salary 100,000 kay Billy and a bonus of 10% profit after salary, but before bonus. Tapos remainder is shared in 7:2 ratio pero hindi binigay magkano yung profit of the year. Ang sinabi lang, ang share ni Shihan is 296,000. So how much was the partnership profit before Billy's salary and bonus? So before Billy's salary and bonus. So with that said, okay, let's go to the solution. Okay, ito yan na. So ito, workback to. So ang sinasabi, hanapin mo daw yung partnership profit before salary, before Billy's salary and bonus. So kung magkano yung i-allocate, di ba? Amount of allocated. So anong given dito? Ang binigay dito yung profit, yung ratio para sa remainder in the amount of 7:2. Tapos ang binigay rin dito, lagay natin dito. Okay. So ang binigay rin dito is yung annual salary in the amount of 100k and a bonus of 10% of profit after salary but before bonus. So mahalaga yan. Kasi as you can see here, diba? Okay, input. Basically, ganito yan. Input nyo muna yung 296 dito kasi yan lang yung alam nyo and yung 100,000 kasi lang yung given. Yung bonus, diba? Wala pa yan sila. Wala pa yan sila. Wala pa yan sila. Wala pa yan sila. Yeah? Wala pa yan sila. Hindi. Mayroon na pa yan dito kaya no. Kasi yan lang yung sa kanya eh. Ang sabi lang, yan lang yung sa kanya. So wala pa yan. So ngayon, ito pala yung alam mo. So 100k kasi stated naman no, 100 salary ni Billy. Yung bonus ni Billy hindi pa nilagay kasi natin alam paano i-compute yan. Wala pa yung allocation of remaining profit kay Billy hindi natin alam. Pero kay Shihan, alam na natin. Given ang problem eh. Shihan 296. Ngayon natin di ba? Remainder is shared in the ratio of 7:2. So alam natin na kapag i-divide natin yung 296 ng 2 divided by 9, di ba? Parang ito, 2 divided by 9. Alam natin na ma-work back natin, makukuha natin yung remainder, yung profit after deducting the salary and bonus kung i-work back natin. So 296 divided by 2 divided by 9, 2 over 9, di ba? Ang lalabas dyan is 1332. Okay, alam mo na yung profit after the deduction of salary and bonuses. And with that, since 2:9 kay 2:9 kay Shihan, alam mo kay Billy is 7:9 o 7 divided by 9 o 7 over 9. So yun, divide mo lang 132 divided by 7 over 9. Diba? Ay, ba't divide? Multiply by 7 over 9. So that's 1036. Diba? Dito 1036, so meron ka na. Diba? Goods. Alam mo ng allocation nila. Ngayon, ang next na lang kailangan natin hanapin is magkano yung bonus? Magkano yung bonus? Ngayon, babasahin natin ulit yung problem. Salary, 100k, and the bonus is 10% of profit after deducting the salary, but before deducting the bonus. 10% of profit after deducting the salary, but before deducting the bonus. So yun. Ito yun. Di ba? Ito ano to? This is the salary after deducting the bonus and this is the profit after deducting the salary and bonus. Yung computation ng 10% after salary but before bonus. So anong gagawin mo dyan? Ito, nandito na sa taas. Bakit pa natin tinanong, di ba? So yun, 132. Divide mo by 90%. Bakit? Kasi yung 90%, ito yung, di ba? 100,000, 100% minus 10%, bonus before bonus scheme. So para malaman mo yung profit after salary, but before bonus. After salary, but before bonus. So dinivide mo sa parang ni-workback mo siya. Ngayon, alam mo na yung profit after salary but before bonus, you can now multiply the bonus rate of 10%. So that is 148,000. So yun, meron ka na. Kumpleto ka na. Kumpletos recados na, kumbaga. So yun, add mo na lang. Para, ang lalabas dito is 1284, 296. So dito, 1580. So with that, 1580 yung, diba? Letter A, 1580 yung ano mo. Profit before the partnership profit before Billy salary and bonus. So, yun. So, dito naman sa number 7, move ko na lang to. Okay, dito sa number 7, anong question? A and B, partnership earns profit in the amount of 240,000 in 2000X1. So the movements in the capital accounts of the partners are shown below. So ito sa A capital, at tandaan nyo, capital yan. So equity, so normal balance yan is credit. So 120, nabawasan ng January 1, 120, May 1, naging binawasan ng 20, August 1, nadagdagan ng 10, October 1, nabawasan ng 10. Sa B capital naman, 80 sa beginning, May 1, nabawasan ng 10, July 1, nadagdagan ng 20, and October 1, nabawasan ng 5K. So how much is the share of A if profits are to be divided based on the average capital? So based on the average capital. So with that, weighted average tayo dito. Yeah? Yung technique dyan, di ba? 120. Uy, nagtaka-type pata dito. Dapat yan. Ayan sila. 12 by 12 dapat yan. Nag-auto input si Excel. Alam niyo naman si Excel. Ay. So yun, 120 since beginning balance siya, so buo siya i-multiply. 12 divided by 12, diba? 120 times 12 divided by 12, 120 pa rin. Yung bawas sa 20K, obviously, May 1, so ilang remaining months na lang sa year? For the year, diba? Kasi May 1 na gano. So May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 8. So 8 divided by 12 times mo sa negative 20, ito, weighted average niya. Same rin dito, same lang yan. Same. Dito, nag-ano rin, no? Nag-auto, rin? Dapat 12. Sa akala niya, diba? 12 over 12 kanina, 12 of December. So yun, same rin dito. So weighted average capital ni A, 108.33. Kay B naman, 82.083. So total mo yun sila, kasi yun yung gagamitin mong ratio di ba? 108 plus 82, o total 194.17. So with that, meron ka ng 240. And yung basis lang ng profit and sharing nila is yung average capital. So with that, 240K yung profit. Okay, 240K times yung based on the average capital, 108.33 divided by 194.17. Okay, ito kay A. Ito naman para kay B. So yun, para kay A, yung kanyang share sa profits based on their average capital is 136,540, letter D. Diba? Ganun lang yun. Letter D. So number 8 tayo. So number 8, partner A first contributed 50K of capital into an existing partnership noong March 1. Noong June 1 naman, partner A contributed another 20K. On September 1, partner A withdrew 15K from the partnership, and according to the rules, withdrawal in excess of 10K is charged to the partner's capital account. So sa partner's capital account na lang instead of the drawing account. So the annual interest rate applicable to capital contributions is 12%. So interest based on the capital, So how much is the interest on the weighted average capital balance of partner A? So yun, same lang gagawin nyo dito, di ba? March 1, so may 10 months pa remaining sa year for the 50K. So yun, 10 divided by 12. So sa 20, June 1 siya, so may 7 months pa. Diba? Tandaan nyo, June 1 yan, June 31, so 7 months yan. So 20K, yun. Sa 5K, since titato siya sa 5K. Dito, since more than yung withdrawal in excess of 10,000 is charged to the partner's capital account, yung dito sa 15K, yung 5K dyan, capital account na yung, kaya dito, 5K, hindi 15K. Kasi yung excess na 5K, treated na siya as reduction sa capital account. And since September 1 siya, remaining 4 months in a year, di ba? So yun, 40 by 12. So yun, times 12%, 6 divided by 2. So that is letter A. So let's go to number 9. So number 9, anong tanong? A and B are A and B share in partnership profits and losses on a 40-60 ratio. During the year, A's capital account had a net increase of 50. Partner A made contributions of 10,000 and capital withdrawals of 60 during the year. So how much was the share of B in partnership profit for the year? So dito, hanapin mo yung share ni A using the given, di ba? 50, 10, and 60. Para pag mahanap mo na yung share ni A, okay, divide mo sa capital sa ratio nila para mahanap mo yung profit ng partnership, and from that ratio, multiply mo sa ratio ni B. Okay, mahanap mo na yung partnership profit para kay B. Yung share ni B sa partnership profit. So with that T account, sabi niya, yeah? So withdrawals of 60, yeah? So sa debit yan, additional contributions of 10, sa credit yan. Then net increase in the amount of 50. So net increase. Ang hinahanap na lang is yung share in profit. Yeah, share in profit. So squeeze mo na lang yan. Squeeze me baby. Yeah, squeeze mo na lang yan. Okay, 100k yung share ni A sa profit. Yeah? Squeeze mo na lang yan, di ba? Kasi dito 110, dito 10, so dito 100. With that, okay, divide mo na para malaman mo yung partnership profit. Since 40 over 100k, no? Kay A, so yun, 40%, 250 yung partnership profit. Ngayon, i-divide mo na sa share ni B. So yun, 250 times 60%, 150. Letter B. Ba, no sweat. So, doon tayo sa last number. So, itong kaya, no, number 10. Anong question? So, the articles of partnership of partners A and B stipulates the following. Annual salary of 60k para kay A and B. So, both of them. Bonus 2. Partner A of 20% of the bonus to partner A of 20% of the profit after partner salary. The bonus and salary are treated as expenses. So balance to be divided equally. So the partnership earned profit of 480,000 before partner's salary and bonus. So mahirap yung letter R pati letter S, no, pag may sipon nga. The partner's salary and bonus. How much is the total share of A including salary and bonus? So ito yung mga given. Sabi dito, bonus to partner A of 20, di ba? Ito alam natin dito, 60,000 sa salary. So po sa bonus to partner A of 20% of profit after partner salary. So kailangan mo munang i-deduct yung partner salary. But take note of this, the bonus and salaries are treated as expenses. So you know, yeah, na after bonuses rin to. Yeah? Kasi the bonus and salaries are treated as expenses. So with that, ganito yung nalabas. But tanggalin mo yung salary, profit after salaries before bonus, and since ang hinahanap sa atin is bonus to 20% and the bonus and salaries are treated as expenses, so ganito yung magiging formula. Diba? Parang after bonus rin. Yeah? So, yun, 360 divided by 1 plus 20%. Yeah? Hirap magkasipon. Divided by 120%. 60 bonus. So with that, meron ka ng pang-allocate. 480 for the profit, salary, 60 bonus, si computation below, pero above pala yun. Yeah. So, 60. Allocation of remainder, 300 yung remainder. Yeah. So, and equally daw sila, no? Equally yon. So, 150, 150. As allocated, 270, 210, and 480. Ang tanong, how much is total share of A, including salary and bonus? So, that is 270, letter A. So, with that ends our discussion. Good luck sa long quiz natin sa Tuesday. Bye. Love you.